In this video, I will show what to do if you see an alert about the PHP version. It might look like this. To work properly, the AliDropship plugin PHP version must be the same as the PHP version set on your server. You can fix this issue in two ways. The first one is to download the plugin version that matches the PHP version of your site and reinstall it. To get the right version, go to the Updates section on the official AliDropship site. Select the plugin version, AliDropship or AliDropship Woo. Select the required PHP version. Enter your license key and click Download Now. Go to your WordPress admin area. Deactivate and delete the AliDropship plugin that was installed before with the wrong PHP version. Click Add New. Upload the plugin you've just downloaded from the official site. Select the downloaded file and click Install Now. And then activate. If you don't want to download the plugin and install it again, you can also change the PHP version of your server via cPanel to make it the same as the PHP version of AliDropship plugin you already installed. That is the second way to fix this issue. To do it, go to your cPanel, Software, Multi-PHP Manager. Select your site, choose the required PHP version, and click the Apply button. Updates will be applied immediately. That's it. If you need more information about the extension or AliDropship plugin, please visit the knowledge base section on our official site.